Hello and good evening everyone. This is Abdullah Numan and today I'm going to show you my newly developed web application which is a device car services. It's a car servicing web application, and as a part of my web development learning program, I have developed this MERN stack this full stack web application. I have developed the front end and the back end. For the front end, I have used Vite and React.js and Flowbite library for all those components, and Tailwind CSS for styling. Uh, and for the backend, I have followed the modular pattern and utilized TypeScript the and Node.js. Our backend is the Node.js, and for the database, I have used uh, MongoDB. It's a merge stack, full stack project. Now, firstly, I'm going to give you a small overview of what this web application actually is. As you can see, it's a car services application where user can search. There are various kinds of car services such as oil changing, car washing, car repairing, and can see the details if they click on details, and can see the slots, a slot table which contains the date and on which day the service is available, and the status of the services, either it's available. If it's available, it can be booked, or if it is booked by someone, then it is not available. The button is disabled, and the starting time of of that particular slot, and the ending time, and also some general the basic information about that service, that how much it costs. It's 850 taka, and total duration, total hours in a day. It takes 50 hours. I mean, the workers take 50 hours, although it's a little bit imaginary number, but it is what it is. And firstly, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide. Here's in the about us in the about page, where you can see you can learn about uh, some a little more information about this website, what it does, and there's a step-by-step guide for the new user, what he can do. The user firstly has to create an account, and then they have to pick a service by clicking on services. As you can see, here are there's a list of services, and there are some jumble services too. I'm going to show you later how to disable these services from the admin side, and from the user side and the admin side, they can see the services. And I have implemented the pagination too, and also a filtering option here. As you can see, if we want something between 60 hours and 370 taka, then let me see, there's one only, there's all change. Let me see, 710 taka and a little bit more. I mean, there's nothing left. Let me see if I can. Yes, there are more of it. We have these four services, which is between 940 taka. As you can see, the price is 850 between 940, and the duration is 90 hours. As you can see, the duration is smaller than 90. Let me see get if I can get lower than 30. Let me see, there's two of them. The duration is 30 and a 10, but the price is between 940 taka, 0 to 940 taka. And this slider can be decided like this, and each step it advances 10. Each time it advances 10 steps, and for the price, each time it advances or gets back one step. And we can also sort it by price. Let me reset for the better view. Let me show you in case we want to sort the whole list in case sort by duration. Let me see, as you can see, the duration is from descending order. The list is sorted by descending order. The first one has the highest duration, the last one has the lowest duration. As you can see, the highest duration and the lowest duration. Also, let's see in price. All right, we want to sort by price, the highest price and the lowest price, as you can see. So we can also search by name. Let me see if there's anything in the name of car, if there are any services in the name of car. Yes, there are 3 services which has the car keyword in the service name. Alright, this is how the user can filter services and find the service which they need. Let us go back to the about us page, and then he has to select a slot. In order to select a slot, as let me show you how it works in the oil change. Well, if I try to book a slot, I have to log in first. Alright, user has to log in, then has to select a slot, and then has to pay. In order to book that particular slot, the user has to book. And there's a section which contains the table of the booked services, the the data of the user, how many services have they booked, which one has already passed, and which service is the upcoming one, how many days is left, days are left for that, and also can track and track the booking in my bookings page. Alright, firstly I would like to show you the admin functionality. For that, this is our MongoDB database, and as you can see, the password is encrypted. So if anyone tries to break into our database, they cannot get the password in plain text. They have to decrypt it. But there are more security measures can be taken, as it is only in the development mode. There are a lot of things to do, and I would like your opinion, advices, to guide me through that path of improvement. Alright, as you can see, there's a dashboard option popped up. It was not visible before, but after login, it just became visible right here. And as you can see, we can manage users, we can make a user an admin, and we can manage services. As you can see, these are the services. We can disable some services. For example, these are gibberish services I created for testing purpose. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete it. The service is deactivated, and delete this one too. The service is deactivated too, and this will not be visible in the services. As you can see, there are 4 of them, and yes, only the active services are visible right now, but the deactivated are not visible. So I'm going to create a new service. In the manage service, there's a tab called create new service. Alright, the new service is a tire rotation. Let me go to the use splash. Oh man, I just forgot the spelling. Let me see, it is tire. Right, tire. Let me see the tire. If we get a tire rotation, let's see. The service will have this image. Let's say just as an example. We need to copy the image address. Let me see if that works here. Yes, it works. So I'm going to copy paste. In here, I could implement the file uploading file uploading option, but the problem is my backend is hosted at Vercel, and the Vercel doesn't allow us to upload raw images, raw, what is it called, raw items, raw files in the on the backend. So I just decided to add the link like this. So our service name is tire fixing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix your tire for a smooth, oh my god, journey. Alright, the how much price it is, in my country fixing tire takes like 500 taka, and it takes that not that much of time, but I'm going to allocate the 80 hours in a day, so that I get a lot of mm, slots, more slots. So let me see if we can create the service. Yes, the service has created. The new service has created. Let me go back and let me see if there is tire rotation, deep wash engine, tire fixing. There must be another one that it's not showing on the. Let me see the database if there's one that it has created one, right? So this is a tire fixing. I get it. There's a little fixation to do. Now it will be visible here because I have limited the data to 10, and here is it. Because the problem was I have limited the data to 10 because hmm, I want to implement pagination in the future in the services page, and so that I have limited the data to 10. So this is our new service, and this is active. And let me manage the slots. Let me get only because it's showing all oil change, because in the because previously we have visited the oil change. We have visited the oil change page, and because of that, our uh, Redux has added the what the hell is happening? Why it is not? All right, why it's like this? I mean, why it is really shy? What's the point? Okay. It's very funny. I cannot drag it down. Book slot. Alright, let me show you the every single slot here. Here's the slot. Alright, manage slots. Let me create a new slot in here. We get the active um, services here. We want to create uh, tire fixing from services will start from 8 a.m. till 15 is 3, right? 15, 16, 17. Let me say 17 o'clock international time. So what will be the date? Let's say it will 13th September of 2024. Let me see if we can create the slots. Let me see, let's go home, and yes, it has created the slots. Let me show you in a better way. Tire fixing, if we click the slots button here, we can see the slots are of tire fixing. We have how many slots? Starting from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and each slots having 1 hour time frame. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 slots. The total time is long actually. The time frame is from 8 a.m. in the morning to till the 5 p.m. in the evening. No, sorry, in the afternoon. And all these slots are available. As I need to implement pagination correctly in these pages. So alright, so this is it. We can make an user admin. I'll show you that later because we have this user as as a normal user. I'm going to create a new user and then show you how the new user can be turned into an admin. And because our first user, this one, he is the main admin here, like a super admin. Alright. Mm, let's go home. Let's log in as a normal user, right? Let me give my genuine email. I know you all want to hack me, but man, I don't have any kind of money in my wallet, so it's alright. What's the password already? Let's log in if we can log in. Alright, we are logged in as an user, and let me see the dashboard. Alright, the user dashboard is a little bit uh, the user dashboard is a little bit uh, different from the admin. And here you can see we can edit our profile, edit our change our password. Now let me see our bookings in here. We can see our bookings. We have 2 bookings, as you can see. I have told you before that we have the bookings page which contains the booked services, the user for the user, and this user has booked 2 services, and one will take place in the 10th September. Today is 10th September, that day, but for some reason it's showing 1 day left, and another one is at 11th September. It's showing 2 days left. Alright, so let's go to the services. Let's try to get a service which is something related to tire. Alright, tire, and we want to sort by price. We want to get between 90 hours if we get one. So we have one. It's the tire fixing, and the price is 500 taka. Duration is 80 hours. Let me see. Yes, that's the image we have uploaded as an admin, and these are the price. We still have fixing left. We have some fixation left here, like this search by date. It's not functional here, but it will be functional. So what I want to do, I'm a little bit lazy, so I want to pick the 10 a.m. in the morning. This one is available. Let me book this one. Alright, here's the little details of our service. It will be at 13th September 2024, starting from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and we have to pay 500 taka. And here there are 2 steps of giving information, booking information. So let me show you. Alright, for example, we have customer named John. He has a car. He has a BMW, has a manufacturing year of, it's a 2015 model. It's an M3. Wait a minute, M3, and the manufacturing year has to be a number. All right. The registration number can be anything. For example, he lives in Texas. It's 123. Let's pay now. Let me see if we can pay via Stripe. Here's the Stripe. We have to pay 500 taka. It's showing dollar because it's I have integrated the Stripe payment method, payment gateway to be more precise. Let me see. I want to get a test debit test cards. Let me get a test card here. Which one is? Let me see. Get the first one, which is a Visa debit card. So this one is. These are the general information. Let me see if I can pay. Okay, it's paid. Now we are redirected to the payment successful to the success page. This one, no, I'm sorry. Alright, we have successfully paid for the service, and the service has been booked for us. Now let's go home. And alright, thank you for booking. There's a nice little message right there. And if we go to the dashboard, if we go to the bookings, yes, this is our third booking. 4 days left from today. It's showing out 1 day more. Maybe there's a little logical issue right there. It's showing 4 days left. Maybe we need to negate 1 day in our logical side. So that's it. That's how if we pay, then and only then we can book book a service for a certain day, and we have to pick a certain slot. Let me see if that slot is available again. We go to the tire fixing. We actually implemented the pagination I shown you before, and as you can see, this particular slot has been booked, and we cannot book anymore. We can't click on this. We cannot click on this button. We cannot even select this one. Alright, we can select it. There are some functionalities left that I haven't implemented it. I'm just searching for. I'm just brainstorming some, you know, ideas. I believe you can help me in that matter. You can give me some more insights, more fixations, more ideas in the comment section, I believe, and I will work on that. And I need to work on this particular feature where we can search by date. Alright, so that's for the user side. Now let's see if we can create a new user. Alright, what will be the new user? Let's see. He is John. Has a phone number of 018145. Let me see. It's the 11 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. In our country, in my country, the phone number is 11 digits long. So what will be the email? Let me see the email. Let's give an imaginary mail. There at gmail.com. This is an imaginary email. This is not a real one. Let's see. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2. Alright, the address is something. Where is he? He lives in Texas, right? Okay, let's try to sign up. Alright, there's a problem. Password mismatch. The password doesn't match with each other. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can hack into this uh, you can hack into this account very quickly. Now let me see. John 1991 right, gmail.com. 456. Let me log in. We are logged in. Let me see. I can change the password. I can change the name. If we need to click on edit, right? All right. If we click on that edit uh, button, then we can change. For example, we want to change the name John Doe, and the phone number will be 5945, and let me update it. Alright, user info has been updated. Let me come back here again. Let me come back here again in the dashboard. Something's wrong. Alright, we can even change the password here, and here he doesn't have any kind of bookings, so that's it. So I'm going to log out again, log in as a now I'm going to log in again as let me see the user page, user database. If that, yes, that's new user is in here. Well, here interestingly here the user has been updated, but in the front end it's not. Let me see. I believe there's a little issue right here. Are you kidding me? It changed after I logged in again. Let me see if we can change the password. I'm not going to say the password, but let me see. 1 2 3 7 8 9. Password updated as successfully. Let's say log out, and we do that again. One two three 7 8 9. Yes, we can log in with new password, and let me log in as an let me log in as a admin again. What the hell even I'm doing? This has to be this email, right? I'm sorry I'm taking so much time, but a lot of things happening in my life, so alright, let's go to the dashboard. Let's manage user. Well, this is our new user, and we are going to make this user admin. He has become an admin. Alright, let's log out. Let me see if our John guy is an admin or not. What was the password again? 1 2 3 7 8 9. Ah, yes. Our John guy is the new admin. He can manage slots. He can manage the services. You can see the service page. You can see the users. Yes, these are the users. Alright, That's it for now. And there's another page called reviews page. Well, these are the reviews. I mean, really mean reviews. Nobody likes this one. Let me log in again to post a review. Let me see. Alright. John, get back to work 1991 at the rate gmail.com. 23789. So Master John is logging in to create a review. Yes, this is the review. This is the review portal. Let me say something. What's it gonna say? A lot of fixations. Man, I'm bad at English. What the hell? Word. A lot of bugs. And we can rate like this. As you can see, if we hover on any of these stars, it will glow up. And I want to give 3. This John guy wants to give 3, and the stars are fixated. The 3 stars are fixated to glow, because now our rating is rating 3. See, alright. Thank you for a kind review. Okay, so we are going to home. Let me see if we have the new one. So that's how you can. Here's another problem is that I have the pagination is not working for some reason. The pagination is not working. Sorry for that. Alright, so that's how it can be. The review can be posted, and these are the top 2 reviews that are here. Let me see our database if the reviews are being uploaded or not. Yes, this one is it. A lot of fixation, a lot of bugs with rating of 3. This is the new one. This is visible in the database, but because of poorly handling the pagination, it's not showing in the main page. I need to fix that. Sorry for that. So that's it. If I know a lot of things I need to improve. I'm still learning, but feel free to criticize and give a constructive opinion. Thank you.